Did you know that Asian elephants are decreasing rapidly? Today, there are only 35,000 Asian elephants that exist in Asia. According to IUCN, in 20 years this species would be extinct. They are classified as an endangered animal. So today I will show you the lifestyles and the habitat of this animal, why this animal is endangered, and what the society, the scientists, and the government can do to help them. As you all know, the scientific name of this elephant is called the Elephas maximus. Unlike the African elephant, this Asian elephant is smaller in size. According to my research, the male's height is around 2.7 meters. It weighs around 5.4 tons. The female elephants are around 2.72. The Asian elephant has a small ear, round back, and it's usually in gray color. It uses its trunk for drinking, eating, taking showers for themselves. Tusks are used to defend themselves and fight to claim leadership in their herd. I found out from IUCN that the Asian elephant are the last mega herbivores. They eat mostly grass, but they also eat stems, sugar canes, banana, rice, and other cultivated crops. Believe it or not, 70% of their diet is from browsing. The elephants live in herds, but however, males will leave their herds at 6 or 7 years to join other herds for reproduction. They will start to breed when their testosterone levels are high enough. Archive says that this species has been isolated in 13 countries around Asia. They occur in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, China, Malaysia, and finally Indonesia. This species have roamed through the Asian continent, extending to the South Himalayas and China, and also the islands of Sumatra and Borneo. From research, now they live in grasslands, evergreen forests, tropical forests. Since their habitat was destroyed, they have migrated to camps to town in order to get food. The threats of this animal are habitat loss caused by human and elephant conflict. Because human populations are expanding so fast, the humans invade into the natural habitat of these elephants, making these elephants have no place to live and not enough food and resources for them in the forest. Humans will start to kill these elephants because they eat and trample into the human farming crops. Humans also make elephants lose their breeding routes by bombing and destroying their habitat. As a result, they cannot find breeding mates, and this will cause the population to decrease. Another threat is that humans are poaching elephants to get elephants' ivory. This ivory could be sold for great value. As a consequence, the elephants' population would decrease. So, how can we help them? According to Archive, scientists are developing a rapid method to identify elephants and their population. They try to identify genes to help manage elephant health threats. They also use genetic tools to map social structures and behaviors of this elephant. According to IUCN, the most important priority is to maintain the elephant's habitat. The government tries to give better protection to this species by improving legislation, law enforcement, and field patrolling over the Asian elephants. They also try to integrate land policy so humans cannot invade elephants' habitats. There are many ways our society and community can help. For example, the WWF Foundation, they help raise money to halt poaching, stop ivory trade, reduce human-elephant conflict by protecting and keeping their habitat healthy. They also try to educate poachers and get them well-paid jobs so that they will stop poaching. 1. We could raise awareness and convince the government to ban illegal ivory trade. 2. Get all the updates about this species and tell the people about the consequences of losing this species. 3. Fund and donate to foundations so that they could help and educate poachers.